Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Welcome to all of you, dear students. We are going to discuss today presentation skills. What is meant by presentation skills? Presentation skills are skills the skills you need in delivering effective and engaging presentation to a variety of audiences. These skills cover a variety of areas such as the structure of your presentation, the design of your slides, the tone of your voice, and the body language you convey. Actually, presentation skills mean what you have and what you want to convey with other people and what you want to deliver in front of your audience, your listener. The way you use to deliver your message in the form of your presentation. Here are some golden tips that can be utilized for effective presentations. First of all, if you are going to deliver your presentation in front of other people, what will be your first criteria for presenting your presentation? First of all, if you are presenting your presentation in front of your listeners, in front of your audience, what will you do for better and good presentation? So keep it in your mind these 20 best tips to improve your presentation skills. First of all, if you are going to deliver your presentation in front of other people, you must practice before delivering your presentation in front of other people. If you practice your presentation prior to presenting your material in the form of your presentation, it will enhance your competency over the material. Not only the grip, the command, but also you can evaluate your speculated time, how much time you are going to take in your presentation. So it is very important aspect of your presentation when you practice your material prior to your final presentations. Number two, transform nervous energy into enthusiasm. When you are going to deliver your presentation, if you are feeling some type of nervous, uh, psychological nervous, or feeling some type of shy, or feeling some type of nervous energy, convert your nervous energy into enthusiastic energy and present yourself as with a positive and with the good gesture in front of your audience. Convert your nervous behavior into positive and enthusiastic behavior. Another type of very important play is attend other presentations. When you reach at the venue where you are going to deliver your presentation, either it's a classroom, either it's an audience, either you are attending a huge audience meeting, so you must reach prior to your presentation so that you may relax yourself, ताकि आप अपने आप को relax कर सकें. Try to reach early. Number 4, if you want to deliver your presentation, try to reach early at the place. Adjust your surrounding. When you are there at the venue for your presentation, adjust according to the environment. If you are from hot area and you are just coming from the hot area and the temperature is in the room, is in the meeting hall, in the area where you are going to deliver your energy, deliver your presentation, adjust yourself according to your surroundings so that you may peacefully deliver your presentation. Next is meet and greet. If you attend your listeners, your audience, then you must meet and greet like, hi, how are you? I hope you all will be fine by the grace of Almighty Allah, and similar, you will be enjoying the good health. And what about your business? Is it okay? Is it fine? Okay, thank you very much. You came here, you are here in front of me. In this way, the audience will feel pleasure and they will take interest in your presentation. So you must start with meet and greet technique so that they could take interest in your presentation. Number 7, use positive visualization. If you are there in a presentation skill, you must utilize the positive visualization. Mean, if are some slides, you are showing some slides, and if you are looking some audience that are listening to you, use positive gestures and positive uh, visuals so that you could present your ideas, your presentation, your slides in a better way that could be easily seen for your listener or your audience. Number 8, remember that most audiences are sympathetic. The presenter must keep in his mind that before presenting his presentation, he must know what are the audience or his listeners, उसके audience कौन है और उसके सामीन कौन है, उसको किसान हैं, बच्चे हैं, या he or she must keep this point in his or her mind that what type of population is there in front of him or her in the form of listeners. So they need sympathetic, mean you must be polite and generous while you are presenting your presentation. So this is very important thing in your presentation. Another point is take deep breath. If you are going to deliver your presentation, take deep breath so that you could just relax yourself. Similarly, if you are feeling that there is a shyness, you are feeling some embarrassment, you must drink water and then take long breaths, and after that relaxing yourself, then go to the stage and on the dais to deliver your presentation. Number 10, you must have a smiling face while you deliver your presentation. You didn't need to become so much serious. Just remain with smiling face and use some comic style to amuse your audience so that they could not feel boring during your presentation. It is very important that you must be comic and attractive and in a very influential way so that the listener should remain and take interest in your presentation. Number 11 is there exercise. If you are going to deliver your presentation, you must exercise prior to the day of your final presentation so that if you exercise properly your material, how much time you will take to present your presentation, and how you will deliver, what kind of AVAs you will use in your presentation, what type of jokes and comic element will use in your presentation. So all this depend upon is a part of your exercise before your final presentation. Number 12, work on your pauses. If you are continuously, you are feeling some embarrassed, you are feeling some shy or some type of fear during your presentation, and you start to present your presentation in a speedy way, so this is not good presentation. Take proper pauses. आप जब भी अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन दें तो उससे पहले अपने पॉजेज को जो है वो प्रॉपर तरीके से लें सो दैट the audience, the listener could easily understand your viewpoint or your thought that you want to share with your listeners. So this is another important point. Do not be afraid to slow down and use pauses in your speech. If you are smoothly delivering your presentation, don't be feared all about and continue your presentation with positive gesture and emphasize your point of view. Don't try to cover too much material. If you are presenting your presentation, there is no need to be cover the whole material. Just use the slides. And the golden rule that is used for effective presentation is 7 into 7. 7 mean there are 7. There should be the 7 slides and 7 words sentences in each slide. This should be the criteria of uh, effective presentation. So all the time don't use lengthy material, always be brief, relevant, to the point, and use easy language for your presentation. Actively engage the audience. If you are delivering your presentation in front of your audience, you must actively engage your audience in your presentation so that they could take interest more and more during your presentation. It will create interest if you are using some type of a novel and a new information and sharing some novel ideas with your listeners, with your population, with your audience. It means they will increase their interest and they will keenly listen you during your presentation. Be entertaining. If you are presenting some type of material in front of your listener, in front of your audience, you must be entertaining in your voice. Admit you don't have all the answer. If you have some knowledge about something, then answer it. If you didn't know anything about, then excuse, do some type of excuse in front of the audience so that you can say, I will answer this question later on. So you can avoid, instead you speak a lie. You must avoid and you courageously face. You honestly ask that, sorry sir, I couldn't answer this question. So it is much better to answer it wrongly. So this is very important. Another is Toastmaster. Use power stance. Power stance mean if you are in a vigorous form, in a vibrant form, you must present yourself in front of other audience before your presentation. You must present yourself in front of others in an influential way so that they could feel that you have a unique personality and you have a potential. Show from your body that you have a potential to deliver everything. So the picture is here, you are seeing in your WhatsApp group that they are showing power stance. Drink water to feel relaxed and increasing confidence. If you are in the situation of presentation, you must drink water and relax yourself and then start your presentation. This would be the much easy and useful technique to overcome your fear, to overcome your embarrassment during any activity. Join Toastmaster. This is the game that are played at clubs or in the students are divided into groups across the country dedicated to helping members improve their presentation skills. Groups get together during lunch and after work to take turns delivering short talks on a chosen topic. The, the more you present, the better you be. So consider joining a Toastmaster club to become a top-notch orator. Just don't forget it's boys. So bring your own bread. 20th point, the last point. Do not don't fight the fear. Accept your fear rather than trying to fight it. अपने खौफ को एक्सेप्ट कर लें with what type of deficiency you have. If you feel that there is a deficiency, please accept it and face the reality. If you know the question answer of the question, answer it. If you didn't know, say it sorry instantly, so that there is no need to be uh, use some lame excuses and lame tactics for speaking lying. Always speak truth, and if you know, try to answer. If you didn't know, say it sorry. I have no idea. So all is this good practice for your presentation skills. So this was golden tips of presentation skills. If you have any problem, if you feel any difficulty, you can send me voice message. I will share with you people about the difficulty and answer you people about your questions. Thank you very much. I hope you have understand the idea. This would be very helpful for you people. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਹੈ ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਕੀਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਅੱਛਾ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੈਂਡੀਡੇਟ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਬਣੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਜੀ ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਫਿਰ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਖੜੇ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੇ